Okay, it's been forever and work has been a mess, and basically I've just come up with like every excuse not to read. So, we're gonna do it today and we'll see how it goes. I didn't even go to regular class this week. Well, last Friday. That's how bad literally everything was. So, we're gonna try this out. Okay, so, we're still reading The Secret. Tora-san wa san 3か、3ヶ月、3ヶ月前に上司にもらいました。So something about Torah in front of 3 months. I received Torah-san from my boss 3 months ago. 上司は子猫を3匹飼っていました。Something about the boss and her being a kitten? Oh, my boss had 3 kittens. だから僕に子猫を1匹くれました。I'm not sure. Oh, so he gave me 1 kitten. それがトーラさんでした。And that was Tora-san. ある日、上司は僕に猫は好きと聞きました。ある日、maybe something about the day, and their boss asked a question about. The other day my boss asked, "Do you want a cat?" Maybe. One day my boss asked, "Do I like cats?" 僕は夢より猫の棒が好きです。問いました。I said I like cats. So I said to him, I like cats better than dogs. Inu? Where's Inu? Inu yori. I see. Okay. そして、次の日、ジューシーは僕にトラさんをくれました。Then, the other day, my boss gave me Tora-san. On the next day, he gave me Tora-san. 僕は半年前にこの町に来ました。Something about in the city. I listened? Oh, I came to this town a year and a half ago. 家族も友達もいなかったので少し寂しかったです。 Something about friends. Because my family and friends were not here, I was lonely. でも、今はトラさんがいるので、寂しくありません。But now, Tora-san. So I think it's like Tora-san's here and I'm not lonely anymore. But now I have Tora-san, so I'm not lonely anymore. 僕とトラさんは毎日一緒にご飯を食べました。Every day, Tora-san and I eat something. Oh, Tora-san and I eat together every day. そして毎日一緒に寝ます。Also, every day, 一緒に寝ます。Something about we sleep. And we sleep together every day. Meow, 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 meow. Tadaima, welcome home. Or I'm home, sorry. There's a lot more to this story. Since there's a lot more, and I read in a whole page, I'm going to be pretty proud of that, and we're going to call it a day, and hopefully there will be more of Tora-san 明日。じゃあまたね。